Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Today we have biotechnologists detect difference in use of nitrogen by rice varieties. All right. So this article is about difference in use of nitrogen and how it is being done by different varieties of rice. Now, what is rice? Students, cereals are grains like rice, wheat, and maize, and they are big part of a diet. They are called what? Staple foods because many people around the world eat them every day to get energy, right? Now, nitrogen. Nitrogen is an element, all right? It's an element. And it is super important for plants, including rice, because it's like a building block that helps them grow. And think of it like how we need proteins and vitamins to stay strong and healthy. So, in similar manner, plants also need nitrogen to make their leaves green, grow tall, and produce lots of grains. And without enough nitrogen, rice plants would be weak. Their leaves might turn yellow and they wouldn't produce as much rice. Okay? And ये नाइट्रोजन कभी कभी सॉइल में नेचुरली भी प्रेजेंट रहता है और कभी उनको जिस सॉइल पर नेचुरली नाइट्रोजन प्रेजेंट नहीं होता हम क्या यूज करते हैं करेक्ट फर्टिलाइजर ओके सो वी आल्सो यूज फर्टिलाइजर ताकि जहां पर जिस सॉइल में नाइट्रोजन अवेलेबल नहीं है प्लांट्स फर्टिलाइजर की हेल्प से नाइट्रोजन एब्सॉर्ब कर सके and important source of nitrogen that we use artificially is urea. So urea is a type of fertilizer that farmers use to help plants grow better. Just like how we need food to grow strong, plants need nutrients to grow. And urea gives them an important nutrient, which is none other than nitrogen. So, in India, cereals like rice are grown a lot because they are essential to feed so many people. है ना? And rice in particular needs a lot of nitrogen to grow well, especially when it is grown in large fields. So farmers use a lot of urea to make sure the rice and other cereal crops grow big and healthy. And because cereals have become such a big part of farming in India, here you can see that is the reason cereals consume two-thirds of all urea in India, led by rice. All right. So farmers they end up using about two-thirds of all the urea, uh, and this which is the leading crop is rice, and that is why rice and mostly rice among other cereals consume most of the urea. Now here something is mentioned in the first paragraph. It's being found by a team of biotechnologists in a university that different types of rice plants need they absorb and they are using nitrogen in different amount. Like different types of rice plants, imagine you can imagine this with an example. See, different types of rice plants are like different people and they don't all need the same amount of food to grow. Some rice varieties are really good at using nitrogen efficiently, meaning they can grow well even if they don't get a lot of nitrogen. Others might need more nitrogen to grow properly. This is why there's a wide variation among popular rice varieties in how well they use nitrogen. And farmers try to choose the best type of rice for their fields, depending on how much nitrogen they can provide and how much rice they want to harvest. All right. So in plants, some rice varieties are better at using the nitrogen they get. कुछ राइस वेराइटी को जो हम नाइट्रोजन प्रोवाइड करा रहे हैं, वो उसको बेटर तरीके से यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं. ओके, meaning they grow more and produce more grains with the same amount of nitrogen. And these plants have high nitrogen efficiency. Other varieties need more nitrogen to grow well or don't use it as effectively. So they have lower nitrogen use efficiency. है ना? जैसे कि आप कहीं जाते हो, कहीं घूमने के लिए जाते हो, कहीं पर आप देखते होंगे लाइक फेयर वगैरह में कि कुछ कि दो, जैसे अगर आपने कहीं फेयर में आपने देखा होगा कि एक फेयर में आपने देखा होगा कि जो सेम ही प्रोडक्ट्स कोई अगर सेल कर रहा है, तो कोई बेटर होता है उसको अपने मार्केटिंग टेक्निक्स वगैरह में, मार्केटिंग स्किल्स वगैरह में यूज करके अपने प्रोडक्ट्स बेचने में. वही सेम प्रोडक्ट्स कोई और सेलर होगा, वो अच्छे या बेटर तरीके से सेल नहीं कर पाता है. तो हालांकि जो प्रोडक्ट्स है वो सेम है, लेकिन एफिशिएंसी किसकी ज्यादा अच्छी है, वो डिपेंड करता है उनकी मार्केटिंग स्किल्स पर. तो सेम ऐसे ही प्लांट्स में भी डिपेंड करता है कि कुछ प्लांट वेराइटीज नाइट्रोजन को बेटर तरीके से यूटिलाइज कर पा रहे हैं, सो दे ग्रो मोर एंड प्रोड्यूस मोर ग्रेन्स विद द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ नाइट्रोजन. वहीं दूसरे कुछ ऐसे प्लांट्स हैं जो सेम नाइट्रोजन को बेटर यूटिलाइज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, वो उसको ज्यादा अच्छे से एब्जॉर्ब नहीं कर रहे हैं और ग्रो नहीं कर रहे हैं. सो farmer generally they prefer plants with high nitrogen use efficiency. Okay, the word is nitrogen use efficiency, please remember this. Okay, and farmers, why they prefer plants with high nitrogen use efficiency? Obviously because then they would need less fertilizer, which can save money, and anyway it is better for the environment. See, why it is better for the environment? Because when rice plants have poor nitrogen use efficiency, it means they aren't very good at using the nitrogen from the fertilizers. So even though farmers add a lot of nitrogen fertilizer to the soil, the plants don't absorb it all. The leftover nitrogen that the plants don't use can cause problems. It can wash away into rivers and lakes when it rains, and ultimately it will lead to water pollution. And this can harm fish and other living things in the water. So, the worst, the excess of nitrogen can also release into air, and it can cause air pollution. All right, and significantly affect the environment. And in India, because so much fertilizer is used, so poor nitrogen use efficiency in plants means a lot of that fertilizer goes to waste. So instead of helping plants grow, it ends up polluting the environment, which is bad for nature and also waste the farmers' money. है ना, क्योंकि जितना फर्टिलाइजर यूज करना चाहिए उतना यूज नहीं हो रहा प्लांट्स द्वारा, और पुअर नाइट्रोजन यूज एफिशिएंसी की वजह से नाइट्रोजन फर्टिलाइजर वेस्ट हो रहा है. नाइट्रोजन फर्टिलाइजर भी वेस्ट हो रहा है, साथ ही साथ जो वेस्ट हो गया है वो पोल्यूशन में कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है ना, क्योंकि एक्सेस में फार्मर्स ने डाला, एक्सेस में यूज किया, तो अब वो जो फर्टिलाइजर है वो सॉइल को भी डिग्रेड करेगा, सॉइल क्वालिटी डिग्रेड करेगा, एयर को भी पोल्यूट करेगा, वाटर में जाएगा तो वाटर को भी पोल्यूट करेगा. सो व्हाट वी नीड इज बेटर स्ट्रैटेजी, है ना, हमें बेटर स्ट्रैटेजी चाहिए, मैनेजमेंट टेक्निक्स चाहिए. तो यहाँ पर लास्ट पैराग्राफ में यू कैन सी, ऑलराइट, सम टेक्निक्स आर मेंशन्ड that we need some improvements in nitrogen use efficiency. And what and how we can achieve that? Scientists can create better fertilizers that plants can absorb more easily. So basically it's like making healthier food that gives you more energy, so the plants grow better with less waste. And instead of growing the same crop in the same field every year, farmers can rotate different crops. Okay, that is what we mean by crop rotation. Okay, so this When we rotate different crops in the same field, this helps keep the soil healthy and makes better use of the nitrogen in the soil, which reduces the need for extra fertilizer. है ना, यही तो हो रहा है कि एक्स्ट्रा फर्टिलाइजर यूज किया जा रहा है. And taking care of the plants in a smart way. That is what we mean by crop management practices, like planting them at right time, watering them properly, and giving them the right amount of fertilizer. It is very important. That's what we have learned from this article, no? That it is important to give them right amount of fertilizer. And by managing crops well, farmers can make sure that the plants use the nitrogen more efficiently. All right? And this these things has really become important because it helps grow more food with less waste and keeps the environment cleaner and healthier. All right, students. So that's it for today. Have a nice day.